In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get any Discord emoji without Discord Nitro. So let's get started right away. A quick disclaimer, you cannot get the animated emojis, but the normal Nitro ones, you can get them. So basically what you want to do is add a server, click on join server, and paste this link in there, right here. Just make sure to copy or type over this link if I don't forget to put it in the description, but just join it. And once you've joined it, you basically want to go to the bots tab right here. And what you want to do is you can search for an emoji if you want to. So you can, for example, search Mario like someone else did already, and you'll see that the emoji is right here. And you basically want to join this Discord server, because this will like sort of activate the emoji. And once you've done that, go back to the other server and copy this right here. So copy the emoji ID. And once you've done all that, you basically want to open up the task manager, and you want to close Discord. So end the task and then reopen it once again. So let's wait for that. And it has opened. Go to a chat, type in this right here, paste the ID, and then just like that, you can see that we have sent the this emoji right there. So that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.